Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to go in depth on how you can use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. We made a video about this a few months ago, but we figured it was the right time to circle back and give you a rundown of the updated version. We're going to walk through some real examples in this video as we want to show what PowerPoint is now capable of within the features of Copilot and how you can use it at work. Okay, so let's get right into it. In this first example, I'm going to show you how PowerPoint can make us a slide deck with a good prompt. This will give us a decent fundamental framework that we can edit and ultimately save time without having to work from the ground up. So let's hit our Copilot icon at the top here and type, "You're a financial analyst. Make me a 10-slide pitch deck on how investing in stocks is a good decision. Use the internet to get the facts and make the design for board members." As you can see in a matter of seconds, we have our PowerPoint ready to go. Compared to when we made our first video on Copilot and PowerPoint months ago, it is clear that it has gotten extremely faster. As we scroll through, we can see that it has a nice flow and the order definitely makes sense. Another cool feature that Microsoft has stayed consistent with in PowerPoint is its ability to provide speaker notes at the bottom, which can be extremely helpful when you're in a fast-paced situation. Moving on to the next example, we will click the Summarize this presentation option and allow Copilot to give us notes on what this slide deck entails. As you can see, once I click here, it gives almost like an outline of the presentation. I feel like this feature would come in handy when you're reviewing different presentations and need to see the information quickly. The Summarize option allows you to view information at a high level that you should expect to find, which can save you so much time. Okay. And now for our last example, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly create a presentation starting from nothing at all with the power of Copilot in less than 2 minutes. Let's start off with Copilot in the browser. So first, I'm going to make sure the toggle at the top here is selected for what we want. So right now, I want information to be pulled from the web rather than my work documents. So we'll keep the toggle on web. Next, we're going to write a prompt to create a Word file for us with the information we want in the presentation. In this example, we will prompt Copilot like this. Write me an outline for a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation on the best marketing strategies for a company in the first 3 months of launching. Use information from the internet and use a professional tone that can be shown to executives. Alright, so in a matter of seconds, we have our full outline for the presentation. Something to be noted that is extremely important is all the sources that are listed at the bottom here for you to fact check the information, which I strongly recommend as always. Let's now copy this text and paste it in a Word document and save this. Now we have our document saved, we'll head back to PowerPoint and click on our Copilot icon. We then will click Create a Presentation from File. Once this is in the dialog box, we place a /, which allows us to select the file saved on our device. As you can see, once we upload the file, Copilot will give us its own outline of the presentation it's making, so it can make sure it's all good to go. And in less than 30 seconds, there you have it, a full framework of a presentation made in less than 2 minutes. Now we can begin to add upon this and make it look better from a design perspective. For example, we can tell Copilot to add more images that are fitting for a board meeting, and it will do that for you in a few seconds. Another neat tool we can use is the designer icon, and it will give us various options to change our slides to our liking. I think learning how to streamline your workflow with Copilot and PowerPoint is where you can get a true return on investment. You can get rid of all the time spent on getting everything together and get straight to focusing on the design aspect of your presentation. We recommend you trying it out on your own to see how fast it takes you to create a presentation from nothing. With that being said, we hope you enjoyed this video today, and please hit the like and subscribe button for more Copilot videos releasing in the coming weeks. See you next time.